At SweBend, we build machines for the bends standard equipment cannot handle. For Spray Engineering, a sustainability-driven manufacturer of process equipment for the sugar and biofuel industries, the everyday job is bending support rings for the large cylinders in their pressure vessels. But they needed one machine that could also handle the demanding end, spiraling wide flat bar, where side roll force and drive torque both have to stay constant throughout the entire bend. Our answer was the SB3X-140, a heavy-duty section bending machine, configured with horizontal shafts for vertical bending and a special set of rolls for square and rectangular bar. The operator runs the machine from a wireless Bluetooth control unit, free to walk around the workpiece during pre-bend and spiral. The hydraulic lift and pitch unit works on either side of the machine, clockwise and counter-clockwise, and a calibration roll closes out the geometry. A monster machine, built to also handle new tooling for the next 20 years of Spray's production. Intelligent precision, Swedish craftsmanship, SweBend, built around your bend.